Hey everybody, this is Dave and I am Braden's daddy. We are here to do a one box personal break of 2017 Leaf Valiant football for Marshall. Alrighty, Marshall said number 2. Alright. First up, purple. Come on. Traven Dural. That is 15 of 15. We got Artevis Scott. Green. $38 of 50. We've got Corey Davis of the Titans. Green. That's a nice one. Corey Davis, 43 of 50. And your graded card. I don't think we've pulled a gold yet. Is this what I think it is? No. I thought this was like metal where some of them are gold. Big targets. Jordan Leggett gold. 9, 5, 10. And that is 6 of 10. I thought that the gold was a 1 of 1, like the Ultimate. Leaf Ultimate had gold 1 of 1s, and then the red, I think. No, reds were a 5. We have not seen a lot of gold. There you go, Marshall. Thank you, thank you. Marshall. Yeah. Like I said, we have not. I think we've got 1 gold one so far. I don't even know if we got a gold one in the first case. We've still yet to pull a 1 of 1 out of this case, I think. I don't think we've pulled a 1 of 1 out of here yet. All right, let me shut this off. Video.